program for any 15-inch or Ethan 2017 A170608 with exactly the same FlexGate issue that's experienced in the 2016 models. Exactly the same part number of the display, but no program. How does that work, Apple? What Pedro said here is 110% correct. They use the exact same part number for the display, but they will only cover 2016, not 2017. That's disgusting, vile way to treat your customers. Now, someone says, this may be the end of my relationship with Apple. $3,000 laptop, and because we bought the 15-inch instead of the 13-inch, we are left with an $800 repair. This is disgusting. I hope Apple reconsiders. However, overpaying for products that are flawed is not something I can stomach. And you can see, it's not like this guy doesn't like the company. He likes it. He wants them to reconsider because he wants to keep using their products, but he can't because they screwed him. They openly screwed him. It's right out here for anybody to see. The change in the design and them openly saying we're only going to cover this one, but not the other one. Now, someone did manage to post the truth. Pedro1475, who actually knows what he is talking about in this post, posted the truth right here. And this is a screenshot. And the reason it's a screenshot is because the people moderating this forum saw that someone actually posted the truth and deleted it. So I'm going to read it here on my channel. From Pedro1475, July 26th, 10:07 a.m. I imagine this is in a different time zone because it's only the 25th over here. So this is most likely from the future, or as some of you may call it, Australia. Despite Apple not liking the fact that third-party repair exists and are willing to repair machines rather than replace logic boards or whole machines, there are people who can do these FlexGate repairs. Not sure where you are located, but these guys are in the UK and can possibly direct you to a repairer that can do this for you. They would of course be located as close to you as possible. Give it a try, and he links to a YouTube video. No such thing as free speech here at times, so I do not expect this post to last more than a few minutes. He did not expect this post to last more than a few minutes, and as you can see, it didn't, because it got deleted. Now, why did his post get deleted? His post got deleted because he told the truth. He linked to a video where someone is showing you how to actually repair this problem, not charge you $800 to swap out your display assembly with another display assembly that has the exact same problem, but how to actually fix it so it doesn't happen again while paying way less money. They can't have their customers knowing the truth. Why? Why does it have to be this way?